Hey there! Today we're going to learn to make this really pretty and easy bird feeder. Let's get started. To make this, I'm taking some really colorful popsicle sticks, some glue. The reason I'm taking these colorful sticks is because a lot of colors attract birds. I'm also taking one in each color. To make the initial shape, I prefer making a diamond, so I'm taking 4 sticks and placing them like this on top of each other. Now let's glue them. Make sure to use a very firm glue. I'm applying glue on either side of each stick and then placing sticks on top of this to make sure that you end up with a diamond shape. As you can see, I'm experimenting with different types of glue. Once you're done making the base, let's start sticking another layer of sticks on top of this. And here we have our first piece of geometry, 2 diamonds, 2 layers of sticks like this. Now I'm going to try out various shapes or designs for this bird feeder. I have chosen to place some sticks on one side of these 2 diamonds and one on the bottom as well. Let's see how that goes. So I'm taking some glue and sticking popsicle sticks of alternative colors like this. I'm going to repeat the same pattern on the other side as well. For this, I'm using some construction adhesive so that it is weatherproof as well when I place it in the garden. And that's it. The base tray to keep the seeds or the food for the bird is now ready. Let's start making the top roof of the bird feeder so that the birds are protected from rain and making sure that the food doesn't get blown away by wind. One of the most interesting things about this craft is that I'm only using one material. So as I said, for the roof, I'm using alternative colors of the ice cream sticks that I have, making sure the bird feeder is as colorful as possible. On either side above the foot trough, I'm placing one popsicle stick so that the bird can sit and eat and relax under this bird feeder. Now to finish this off, I'm taking some string made of metal and slowly attaching it to the underside of the bird feeder and also making a knot on the top so that it can be hung. I've placed mine in the garden and I expect to see some birds once I place some seeds in it. Enjoy and happy creating!